Hi, and welcome to this demonstration of the Cybersecurity Investment Tax Allowance Management System, or CITA for short, CITA. This system was developed by cita.gov.tt, and it allows organizations to submit applications for certification of expenditure made towards cybersecurity software on network security monitoring equipment between the 1st of January 2024 to the 31st of December 2025. So the first step would be to create an account. I'm going to register on the top right here. And here we're going to enter the company information, which will be the name, contact information, the incorporation details, such as the when the company was incorporated, certificate of incorporation number, one of the non-revenue number, one of the company is VAT registered, the VAT registration number. Next is the liaison information. This person is someone who's authorized by the company to submit applications on behalf of the company. The last on this here is the login information, which would be the email and password used to access the account that's being created here. We're going to submit this application. Next, we need to verify the email address that this account is being created with. So I'm just going to go over to get that email here. All right. So usual procedure, we verify the same address by clicking the link. Right. Yeah, account has been verified. So now we can create our first application. So I'm going to go to new application here and follow the instructions on the screen here. We have an opportunity to update the information. Let us enter during registration if needed. If not, we just click next. Now we need to enter information for a director, owner, or board member. This person is the one who would give the authorization to the liaison to submit applications in the system on behalf of the company. Next is the financial details. So this will be all the expenditure information. First, we choose the year that the expenditure was made here. Then we add an item near the expenditure list. Choose the category, which would be cybersecurity software or network security monitoring equipment. Then we choose a subclass. If it's not in a list, we can choose other, enter the details, right? And then the manufacturer or brand. Next in the list here would be the actual expenditure line item, purchase order number, and the receipt number related. Receipt date, the amount purchased, and the cost. Next would be supply information, who this was bought from, the address, and if this is a subscription item, you can choose to enter the subscription start and end date. If not, select no. Save changes. Go to next. Now we have the upload section where we would be required to upload identification documents, authorization letter documents, certification, border and land revenue, registration document, VAT registration document. Here, find VAT registration number was entered before. Again, the expenditure related documents would have upload fields enabled with the purchase order numbers and the receipt numbers that were entered on the previous step. So I'm just going to upload these documents here. Next, now we can review the information that's entered before final submission, just to make sure everything that was entered here is okay. Once that looks okay, and click next. We attest that the information that's being entered here is correct, and we choose switch. Right, and that's it. That's the submission process. So what happens now is iGraph2T will process the application and the liaison will receive emails on the progress of the application. And finally, when the application has been either approved or denied, a certificate will be issued. Right, and this would be an example of the certificate generated at the end of the entire process. So thank you for watching, and for more information, please visit the iGov.tt's website. Take care.